So we are going to use synthetic division to factor out an x plus 5 from this polynomial equation. If you've never done synthetic division before, it's going to look a little bit like magic. And it's just a very simple algorithm that takes the place of long polynomial division. What we're going to do is start by setting it up, putting the potential root, -5, in a small box like this. And then next to it, we're just going to list the coefficients of the cubic that we are dividing. So 1, 11, -10, and -200. We aren't missing any terms, by the way. We aren't missing any powers of x. One potential pitfall in synthetic division is forgetting to include a 0. If, for example, you have a cubic term and then no quadratic term, and you jump straight down to a linear term. So we're going to list the coefficients in order, and then we're just going to bring down the 1. And then we're going to do this simple algorithm of multiplying this number up here, the potential root, by the number down here. So -5 times 1 is -5, and we're going to put it up here. And then we're just going to add the two numbers in this column. 11 and -5 added together give us 6. And then we repeat. -5 times 6, which is -30. Put that below the -10. We add again. -10 plus -30 is -40. We multiply again. -40 times -5 is +200. And -200 plus +200 is 0, which tells us that we've located an actual root of this cubic polynomial. X equals -5 does indeed satisfy that polynomial equation. So we can factor it out. And synthetic division not only tells us that we have a root, it also tells us how the cubic factors and what the remaining quotient polynomial is. The quotient polynomial, when we divide by x plus 5, notice that x plus 5 is the opposite of -5 right here. When we divide by the cubic by x plus 5, what we get is a quadratic polynomial, obviously. And the quadratic we get is x squared plus 6x minus 40. And I'm assuming that that's going to be factorable in the usual way. So we're going to write our polynomial cubic equals x plus 5 times, in parentheses, x squared plus 6x minus 40. Remember, we have that set equal to 0. And then we're looking for two factors of 40 that, -40 that multiply to give us -40 and add to give us +6. Those two factors are going to be +10 and -4. We have x plus 5 times x plus 10 times x minus 4 equals 0. There are our a, b, and c. They are +5, +10, and -4. And our roots are the opposites of those numbers, -5, -10, and +4. Hope this helped.